Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video series we are going to create social accounts for our website. So somehow I managed to create the back cover and the profile in Photoshop. I'm not good at Photoshop, so maybe you don't like my graphics. Okay, this is the logo and this is the back cover. Okay, so let's go to Facebook and create a Facebook page for our website. Facebook, create a page. Now choose the appropriate category for your website brand. So I'm going to choose the brand or product. Now website, review and deals, agree, gotta start. Log in with your Facebook account. And now it is asking for a description, so you can copy the tagline and the website address. Is review and deal a real business product or brand? No, it's not. So just go. Yes, it is. Will review and deals with the authorized and the official representative of the business product brand on Facebook? Yes. Save the information. Now upload from computer. Choose the logo. Okay. Next. I'm not going to use any paid advertisement, so I'm going to skip this step. Alright, so our Facebook page is created. Now we can add a cover, upload photo, okay, save changes. Now we have created the Facebook page for our website, and the next thing is to edit the information, like update the page information. So you can edit them. There are so many information. I will do it later on, but this is all for this video, and we will add this page to our website, so it will automatically publish our all posts on this page. Okay.